In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Samsung Q600C and to get the best settings possible. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Q600C is customizable, and I'm going to give you some starting point levels for your Samsung Q600C. Keep in mind that even though these are going to be good levels, they are suggestions, and you should always try them out and find a level that better suits you according to your room and the preferences. So first, for the sound mode, I recommend starting with surround for movies and TV, and standard for general listening. So surround is going to be better for TV and movies. Keep that in mind. Standard can be used for anything else, and you can also try adaptive sound if you have eARC. Now, when you actually use the remote and you press up and down on these buttons, you will be able to increase or decrease the level of certain channels. So to start, for the center channel, I recommend setting it between +2 to +4. So anything in between this range. For the top channel, I recommend 0 to +2. And likewise for the rear center, 0 to +3. Now for the bass, treble, and subwoofer. For the bass, it is going to be the same as the rear, so 0 to +3 for the bass. For the treble, once again, 0 to +2. And finally, for the subwoofer level, which can also be customizable, you will set it to +2 to +5. You should adjust your preference based on the bass intensity that you wish to acquire. And some important notes, as I've said before, these are starting points and you should adjust them based on what sounds best to you. If you are using voice enhancement, you might need to increase the bass level slightly to compensate, and the optimal subwoofer level is very subjective, depending on your room size and how much bass you prefer. I hope I was able to help you on how to change the Samsung Q600C best settings. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.